Number 1. iCrimp Round Cable Stripper. This wire stripping knife is designed to quickly and precisely remove PVC, rubber, PE, and other jacket materials, making it ideal for use with rounded cables measuring 1/10 to 5/8 inches in diameter. To peel the ends, make longitudinal cuts, and for removing the jacket, make circular cuts. The cutting blade is made of high-quality SK4 steel and is heat-treated to ensure its cutting edges remain sharp, hard, and tough. The tool comes equipped with 2 blades, and an additional 2 spare blades are included in the package.
Number 2. Milescraft Dowel Jig Kit. The Milescraft Dowel Jig Kit is a comprehensive doweling kit that provides everything necessary to create sturdy and precise joints. It includes the joint mate, which is a self-centering jig with an adjustable fence, enabling users to create any type of dowel joint. The carrying case is also equipped with all the necessary accessories required to complete your project. The self-centering dowel jig is compatible with dowel sizes of 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. To use the 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch bushing, a minimum board width of 2 inches is required, whereas the 3/8 bushing requires a minimum board width of 3¼ inches.
Number 3. Turbo Driver. The Olympia Tools Turbo Driver is a versatile tool that serves as both a ratcheting self-adjusting universal wrench and screwdriver. It features a heavy-duty zinc casting T-type handle with a black soft rubberized surface treatment, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The ergonomic handle provides leverage, allowing you to generate more torque with less effort. The tool also features a 3-position ratcheting system and a quick adjustable thumb button that makes it easy to grip objects of various sizes. The long-lasting durability of the Precision Investment steel casting jaw enables it to hold most popular sizes of hex nuts, wing nuts, square nuts, and especially broken or rusted nuts. This turbo driver is an excellent addition to any toolbox, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.
Number 4. TerraPump 4th Gen. The TerraPump 4th Gen fuel pump transfer pump is a reliable tool that can transfer up to 2.4 gallons per minute of fuel or water. It automatically stops when the container is full, preventing fuel loss and overflow. It's powered by 4 AA batteries and comes with 3 adapter sizes to fit most North American fuel cans. It's UL certified and has an updated power button cover to prevent spills.
Number 5. Horisty 3 Pieces Large Non-Slip Flexible Tool Tray.
The Horisty 3 Pieces Large Non-Slip Flexible Tool Tray Set is an essential addition to any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic's toolbox. These trays are made of high-quality, non-slip silicone material that is designed to keep your tools securely in place while you work. The flexible design allows you to easily fit the trays into tight spaces, and the large size of the trays provides ample room for your tools. The trays feature a unique grid pattern that helps to prevent your tools from sliding around and becoming disorganized. The non-slip surface also helps to protect your tools from scratches and damage, while the flexible material is resistant to oil and other chemicals commonly found in automotive and industrial environments. These trays are perfect for use in a variety of settings, including automotive repair, construction, and woodworking. They are also ideal for use in home workshops, garages, and sheds. With the Horisty 3 Pieces Large Non-Slip Flexible Tool Tray Set, you can keep your tools organized, easily accessible, and in great condition, ensuring that you are always ready to tackle your next project. Number 6. DeWalt Ratchet Type Pipe and PVC Cutter. The DeWalt Ratchet Type Pipe and PVC Cutter is a convenient one-handed cutting tool designed for quick and easy cutting of PVC, PPR, plastic hoses, and pipes up to 1 5/8 inches in diameter. It's a great tool for both home DIY projects and professional plumbing work. With its ratchet mechanism, this cutter delivers precise cuts with minimal effort. Number 7. DFM Small Square and Marking Center Finder. The DFM Small Square and Marking Center Finder is a handy tool designed to help you find the center of square and round objects. With its compact size, this tool easily fits in your pocket or toolbox and is perfect for DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, and more. It features clear markings and precise measurements, making it easy to mark and cut materials accurately. Number 8. Superior Tool Pro Handle and Sleeve Puller. The Superior Tool Pro Handle and Sleeve Puller is a professional-grade tool designed to remove handles and sleeves from faucets, valves, and other plumbing fixtures. It features a durable, heavy-duty construction and a comfortable grip handle for easy use. With its precision design, this tool provides a secure grip and ensures smooth, effortless removal of handles and sleeves. It is a must-have tool for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 9. WorkPro Claw Hammer. The WorkPro Claw Hammer is a durable and sturdy tool designed for nailing and framing. With a weight of 20 ounces, it provides enough force to drive nails easily into any surface. The hammer features a one-piece forged construction for maximum durability and strength. Additionally, it comes equipped with a magnetic nail holder that holds nails in place, allowing for easy one-handed operation. The hammer also has an air cushion handle that provides anti-vibration properties, making it comfortable to use even during extended periods of use. Number 10. Railer Screwdriver Bit Set for Electricians. The Railer Screwdriver Bit Set is a premium toolkit designed specifically for electricians. Made from durable S2 steel, the set includes impact driver bits and nut drivers that are built to last. The set also comes with a magnetizer bit holder and carabiner for easy transport and organization.